Let's look at how to add music or audio to Google Slides. Google Slides is a presentation app developed by Google. It is a web-based application, which means that you can access it from any computer with an internet connection. Google Slides is available as a free service and as part of the Google Workspace suite of apps, with enhanced features for business and education. Adding music to your Google Slides presentation can help to make it more engaging and memorable for your audience. Step 1. Upload the song or audio file that you want to use in a presentation to your Google Drive. Step 2. Open the Google Slides presentation where you want to add the music. Step 3. Click on Insert from the top menu. Step 4. Select Audio. Step 5. Select the audio file that you want to add and click Insert. Step 6. Adjust the audio settings using the right side panel. Subscribe for more Google Workspace productivity tips or visit workspacetips.io.